In this video, we'll walk through how to build an approval flow using Power Automate and Dataverse. We'll start inside our Dataverse app, where machine procurement requests are tracked as records in a table. To kick things off, let's create a new automated cloud flow. We'll name it New Machine Approval Request, and skip past the template gallery so we can build the trigger ourselves. Our trigger is when a row is added, modified, or deleted. We'll set the change type, choose our table, and define the scope. This is what tells the flow to watch for new machine requests. Next, we add a new step. Searching for approval brings up the standard approvals connector, and we'll choose start and wait for an approval. For the approval type, we'll use approve, reject, first to respond. The title pulls in the machine name dynamically, and we assign it to the approver field from our trigger. Opening up the advanced parameters, we build out the details, the machine name and price, the department contribution, and any comments submitted with the request. We'll also set the requester field, and turn on notifications and reassignment so the approver gets notified and can hand it off if needed. Once everything's filled in, we save the flow. Behind the scenes, each of those fields maps back to the actual data columns on our machine record. And that's it, our approval flow is live. Now, every time a new machine request comes in, the right approver will automatically get notified to review and respond.